All right, here we go. Here we go, guys. We removed old plastic. I didn't get a weight to see the weight difference, but there is a difference. You're probably talking about a few ounces for sure. But let's take a look at Tiger Racing Products.com. Obviously, making for the Gen 2, Gen 1s, ZX14s. Just go look them up. They make a bunch of other products. But this is their ABS version. Usually I get the aluminum version. This is a new product that just came out a few years ago, or maybe this year. I don't remember. Just want to give you guys a complete review. It looks super sick. Obviously being black on black. Looks beautiful. They are making ABS license plates. They just have not come out yet. Once they do, they're going to send me one, so that way I have a complete system. Obviously, the billet looks good with the billet stuff. So super happy. Super nice product. The nice thing about the undertail, or the tiger tail, we call it, what it does is, obviously you're going to lose storage, but it gains clearance for the tire. So that way you're not rubbing or putting big holes in the stock tail. So it does raise the point where the tire can actually get sucked into it without any issues. Obviously, it does lighten it a little bit. It does create airflow for the rectifier, which is nice. It looks super clean. They do, on the ABS, do recommend writing a lightweight battery, so I would definitely recommend. I just have to order one. Do not use your stock battery. Obviously, the weight might have some structural issues if you use your full weighted battery in this. This is just ABS. Over time, it might crack. I doubt it, though. It's ABS. It might just start warping, though. So they definitely recommend using the lightweight lithium batteries in these. So definitely recommend doing that. I just haven't ordered mine yet. Obvious, when you're going to lose weight from the OEM battery to a lithium battery. The weight difference is huge. For the ECU, usually I take some Velcro, stick it on there, so that way you can take on and off if you have to. Super easy on and off. And what you're gonna have to do is take the you don't have to take the subframe completely off. Just loosen all the bolts so that way you can slide in and out of stuff. But always remember, guys, I repeat, always remember to lock tight everything. Obviously, the bike is going to vibrate over time. If you do not lock tight any of the bolts, you don't want that to come loose. You'll have issues down the road. So remember, lock tight everything that you do remove and reinstall. They do come with washers, so definitely use the washers for the bottom bolts. The back ones just bolt up with the OEM bolts. So remember that, guys. Lock tight every single bolt that you when you unloosen everything in the subframe area, so that way you don't have no problems down the road. Overall, very, very happy with the product. Obviously, I've been a huge fan of theirs for a very long time. I put them on multiple Gen 1s, Gen 2s, ZX14. You name it, we use their products at all of our drag bikes that we build. And I'm very super excited to see the ABS version of it. Looks killer. I like it because it's black and just goes with the bike completely. The red and black is starting to come out. Yeah, guys, I'm very happy with the product. Definitely go look them up. Like it says, TigerRacingProducts.com for all your undertail drag racing. It doesn't even have to just be drag racing. It could be your factory bike too. But anytime you're slamming a bike, this is highly, highly recommended, just to gain the clearance. So stay tuned, guys. Super excited. Super happy with their products. Like I said, go check them out, guys. They're doing awesome things. They're making the ABS version, and they're still making the aluminum version. Go check their website out. It looks so killer on this bike, guys. Especially getting rid of the OEM one. That looks all bulky and, I don't know. I should have done a weight difference. But you were probably talking ounces. Maybe a full pound. I don't know. I should did a weighing, but everything, like I said, came out awesome. Super easy to install. So thanks for watching. Thank you for Tiger Racing Products for sending this out and giving us a chance to review their products. And I'm super excited, and I can't wait to get this thing on the track. See you guys in the next video. Please like and subscribe to this channel. I will see you guys in the next.